What's up, my dear crypto enthusiasts? Welcome back to the Crypto Catalyst. Today, guys, one more time, we are taking a closer educational look. It's, I would say, one of the more interesting systems inside a BitGW ecosystem, the single-sided AMM liquidity mechanism, guys. And honestly, before we even talk about BitGW specifically, we first need to understand what AMM actually means, because a lot of regular users still don't fully understand the concept like an AMMS, liquidity pools, LPs, or liquidity providing. This video, guys, is pure education informational, and we can start right now. So guys, here we are at the BitGW. One more time, guys, we have already made one great video about them, guys, about whole ecosystem over here, all the benefits, guys, all the features. And in today's video, guys, I want to show you exactly something different, guys, what is right in the part of their ecosystem, guys, something what you mentioned, guys, in a previous video. So if you're right now new to my channel, go, guys, to my channel, find that video, guys, that have been made a couple of days ago, check it out, guys, and after that as well, you can check it out over here. And in today's video, guys, our theme is AMM, and AMM stands out for automated market maker, guys. Right now, I want to show you as well one great text that right now the BitGW have prepared, guys, for the customers, namely right now for the visitors of them as well, and that is over here on announcements, guys, in their help center, guys. And I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and I want to find exactly one great article that I think is very, I would say, incredible, where is right now really great explain what is the AMM, how everything is functioning. As you can see, your explanation on the single-sided AMM liquidity mechanism. So guys, what you need over here to understand, guys, that AMM stands out for automated market maker. That means, guys, instead of a buyers and sellers matching directly like in traditional exchange order book, AMMs use liquidity pools to handle swaps automatically on that way. For example, over here, guys, BTC USDT, Ethereum USDT, guys. Those right now the pairs or other trading pairs, guys, each have their own liquidity pool. Inside those pools, guys, are assets supplied by liquidity providers, also right now called LPs or liquidity providers. When users right now swap assets, the transaction happens through the liquidity pool itself, while the AMM system automatically calculates price based on the asset radio inside that pool, guys. And generally speaking, guys, the deeper the liquidity pool is, the smoother and more efficient the trading experience becomes on that way. Overall, guys, what you need to understand over here is that AMM basically automates trading liquidity using the pools instead of traditional buying-seller matching system, guys. And I think this is the most easiest way, most simplest way, guys, for you to understand, guys, what is right now the AMM. Connected to it, guys, I have right now prepared for you some images, guys, where I want to explain you guys the deeper what is the AMM and how everything over here is functioning, guys. As you can see, I have prepared for you a couple of images, guys, where you can right now see one great example over here, because honestly, the easiest way to understand the AMMs is through the gas station example, guys, shown in the over here on these images, guys. So what you need to understand, guys, over here is that the AMM is not the trader, as you can see with your own eyes. It's an automated service system, guys. Think about it like gas station. The gas station itself doesn't drive the cars. Instead, it provides the fuel so the system can function on that way, so we can right now drive the cars. So in this analogy over here, that means the liquidity pool is the full tank for you guys. Over here, users swapping right now the assets, and the assets are the cars, and liquidity providers are the full, namely right now, the fuel suppliers. So as you can see over here, the images over here and overall everything emphasizes that the AMM system is always open, as you can see over here, and always available, operating continuously, just like a 24/7 service station, guys. And another important, I would say, visual over here that you need to see is that more, guys, liquidity over here equals smoother service, something already what I have mentioned for you guys. Less liquidity can lead to the higher trading cost, guys, and less efficient execution. That's why liquidity providers are such an important part of the AMM systems, guys. So overall, the first what you need to understand over here is that the gas station analogy actuals over here actually simplifies, I would say, the AMM really well, because liquidity is essentially the fuel that powers the trading system, guys, on that way. So what is right now on time the role of liquidity providers, guys? Let's talk about it, guys. Their role is right now to supply the assets into liquidity pools so the AMM systems can continue operating guys smoothly on that way. And one important point over here that the image make is this LPs guys don't trade directly. They enable guys the trading. That's a major difference guys between that. Remember that. Instead of trying to predict whether the market goes up or down, LPs help provide liquidity infrastructure. Then whenever snaps happen right now inside a pool guys, the small service fees are generated as well guys on that way, as you can see. And according guys over here to the mechanism that is explained over here on the image that I have prepared for you, those fees right now guys return back into the liquidity pool and help reward LPs over the time. As you can see guys over here, I would say, as you can see as well with your own eyes, this image over here guys says that LPs earn from usage, not market direction. That's actually a very important concept, I would say. And that is right now the really main part that you need to understand. One more time to sum it up, the liquidity providers are supporting the systems itself rather than speculating directly on the market direction. So guys, what are right now the problems guys with traditional LP systems? Now, here is where the BitGW introduces guys its own approach, and I'm really finding this incredible. Over here guys, as you can see on the image guys, the traditional AMM systems usually require users to provide two assets at the same time guys, as you can see over here on the image. For example, if someone right now wants to join BTC USDT liquidity pool, they typically need to hold both BTC and USDT simultaneously. And beyond that guys, users often need to manage token ratios, swap assets manually, balance positions, and deal with changing market conditions guys. For a lot of regular users guys, for me, for you as well, that process becomes too complicated. And as you can see over here on the image guys, they simply over here, as you can see, the many people are not unwilling guys to participate on that way because they simply don't understand the dual token mechanism, don't know how to manage the ratios as well, and on the other side they are feeling the entire process too complex guys. That is something that we all want to avoid. Overall guys, the traditional liquidity systems can create a high participation barrier for average users, and that is right now where we have our BitGW guys, because right now the main feature that BitGW is focusing on is right now the BitGW's single-sided liquidity model over here guys. Instead guys of procuring two assets, the BitGW single-added liquidity mechanism allows right now users to participate using only one asset guys. For example, if right now the user only holds the USDT, they can still participate in a BTC USDT liquidity pool guys. That is incredible. As you can see guys, the BitGW's intelligent market management engine automatically handles over here on that way the asset matching over here, liquidity configuration and ratio balancing internally. That means guys that the users no longer need to prepare two separate assets, calculate a ratio manually guys, swap tokens as well in themselves, or manage complex LP position guys on that way. And that is something that I'm really loving over here guys at the BitGW guys, because this is right now really important, I would say, to understand guys, in my opinion. The entire process over here guys is, I would say, much simpler and more beginner friendly guys. Over here as well you can see the four main advantages guys one more time that we have. Those are right in the lower participation barriers, simplified operations, better user experience guys, and automated liquidity management with integrated risk control systems. That is right now, that's this massive one single system guys over here from BitGW is offering to us. Overall, BitGW system, in my opinion, is essentially trying to simplify liquidity participation for regular users through their automation. And that is something right now that I really love. Now stepping back guys, this mechanism over here, everything what I have seen matters because user experience is one of the biggest barriers in DeFi and liquidity systems. A lot of people over here are interested in liquidity providing, but they don't want to deal with ratio balancing, manual swaps over here, complex pool structure, something like that, or advanced position management. BitGW's approach appears focused on removing those, I would say, some of that complexity by automating the backend mechanism while simplifying the front end participation. So overall guys, the BitGW single-sided AMM liquidity mechanism is designed to simplify how users participate in liquidity pools. Instead of requiring dual token management, the system allows participation using a single asset, while the platform's engine automatically handles liquidity balancing and pool configuration behind the scenes. Over here guys, you have seen everything: the MMS, liquidity pools, LP reward guys, and automated liquidity infrastructure in a way that's much easier, I would say, for beginners to understand, guys. Again, this video is strictly educational information, guys. Nothing here should be interpreted as a financial advice, and users, of course, should always conduct their own independent research before participating in any platform or liquidity system, guys. That means you need to do your own research, guys, and everything that you need to want to invest, of course, is only your decision, not mine. I'm here, guys, to help you. The BitGW is here to help you guys, to educate you guys, and to show you right now all the features, guys, from their ecosystem and from their platform, guys. And I would say it's incredible. Alright, guys, up to that, you can right now leave me thoughts in the comments down below, check all the description box down below, and hit that like, share, subscribe, guys, button as always. That was a Crypto Catalyst, and I'll catch you in the next video.